In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a new page in Coda, the powerful all-in-one document tool that combines docs, spreadsheets, and apps. Whether you're managing a complex project, keeping meeting notes, or building a knowledge base, using Pages lets you break your information into clear, organized sections so your document stays easy to navigate and work with. If you find this helpful, please like and subscribe, and let's get started. To begin, open your preferred web browser and head over to coda.io. Once the page loads, go ahead and sign into your Coda account. You have a few different options here. You can sign in with your Google account, your Microsoft account, or a dedicated email and password combination. Pick whichever method you already use, because Coda will remember your preference for next time. If you haven't created an account yet, don't worry, signing up is free and only takes a moment. Just follow the prompts on the screen and you'll be set up in no time. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your Coda home screen, which shows all the documents you've created or that have been shared with you. Take a moment to locate the document you want to work on. It might be a project plan, a team wiki, or a personal notes file. Click on it to open it up. When you do, you'll be taken directly into the document editor, which is the main workspace where you can view and edit your content. This is where the magic happens, and it's where you'll start building out your page structure. Now take a look at the top left corner of the document editor. Right next to the document name, you'll see a small icon that looks like a stack of pages or a list. That's the Show Pages icon. Go ahead and click it. When you do, a side panel will slide out from the left side of your screen. This is the page navigation panel, and it's your command center for organizing your entire document. In this panel, you can see a list of every page that already exists in your doc, nested exactly how they're structured. It gives you a bird's eye view of your content hierarchy, which is incredibly useful as your document grows. With the page navigation panel open, look toward the bottom of that panel. You'll see a button labeled New Page. Click that button, and Coda will instantly create a fresh blank page for you. You'll notice the new page appears in the panel immediately, usually at the bottom of the list, or indented under the page you were viewing, depending on where you clicked. It's important to understand that this new page is completely empty right now. No text, no tables, no formatting. It's a clean slate ready for you to shape it however you need. Next, you'll want to give your new page a name. Click on the title area at the top of the page. It likely says Untitled by default. Type in a descriptive title that clearly communicates the purpose of this page. For example, if this page is for your weekly team meeting notes, you might name it Weekly Team Sync or Meeting Notes Mars-October 2025. The more specific and descriptive you make the title, the easier it will be to find later, especially if you end up with dozens of pages in one document. A good naming habit will save you time and frustration down the road. Now that the page has a name, it's time to fill it with content. Click anywhere in the main body area of the page, and you can start typing right away. You can add headings, write paragraphs, create checklists, or even insert tables. One of the fastest ways to add structure is to use Coda's /menu. Simply type a / anywhere on the page, and a menu will pop up showing you all the building blocks available. Things like tables, to-do lists, calendars, images, embeds, and even formulas. The /menu is one of those features that once you get used to it, you'll wonder how you ever worked without it. It's designed to keep your hands on the keyboard and your workflow moving fast. As you're editing and adding content, here's the best part. You don't have to worry about saving your work. Coda saves everything automatically in real time. Every key you press, every change you make is instantly stored in the cloud. So if your browser crashes, your computer restarts, or you close the tab by accident, none of your work will be lost. This automatic saving is a huge relief, especially when you're deep in creative flow or under a deadline. It frees you up to focus purely on your content without interruption. Once you've added your content and named your page, it's a good idea to take a moment to review your overall page structure. Look at the page navigation panel again and check where your new page is positioned. Is it nested under the right parent page? Is it in the correct order? If you need to rearrange, you can simply drag and drop pages in the navigation panel to reorder them or change their hierarchy. A well-organized document is not only easier for you to navigate, but it also makes collaboration much smoother if you're sharing the doc with teammates or clients. As a quick recap, you now know how to create a new page in Coda, from signing in and opening your document to naming your page, adding content using the slash menu, and letting Coda's autosave handle the rest. By using pages thoughtfully, you can keep your projects clean, your notes searchable, and your team on the same page. Pun intended. For next steps, I'd recommend exploring how to link pages together using cross-doc references, or how to set up page permissions if you're working in a shared workspace. Thanks so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to save this video or revisit it whenever you need a quick refresher. Happy building!